Do you want to replace the control panel of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new control panel. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take out the water reservoir from the machine. Next, slide the sides of the casing loose. Now unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When removing the top, be careful to disconnect the ground wire gently. Step 2. Remove the old control panel. First, disconnect the cable from the motherboard. Unscrew the screws that hold the front panel in place. You can now remove the control panel. Step 3. Install the new control panel. Connect the cable to the new button. Place the button in the position of the old one and tighten the brackets again. Finally, put the control panel back onto the top and front. Step 4. Replace the casing. Reconnect the ground wire first and place the top of the casing back. Tighten the screws firmly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it in securely. You have now replaced the control panel, and your coffee machine is ready for use.